Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni paidbah subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ka arfwe trek u kelalingkon kadai kasni kerpang ya ke jela Meghalaya kabaya lenti san pholai snem karta hadin ke jingyo ya ke jela lajang. Ha ke jingyo san pholai snem ke sarkar MDA ha ke jingyo lam u konrad ki sangma ula iangewbha de ke secretariat ke Thymmai bat ke Shillong Thymmai. Ya katay ka jingaisngewbha ya kabantay ka yung secretariat ka Thymmai Umsawli New Shillong New Secretariat lapri maunong rim da ukonrat ke sangma. Kibaladan lang uba press tuntensong uba snyaw bhalang dhar ki menteri sarkar uba Abu Tahir Mondal ka Emperin Ningdo ka Marcus Marang bat ukoming wan amban. Ya kini ka secretariat latay ka jaka ka bahe sanpulai akar bala antat ba ka jinglut kan kot syaka Syahajar sispa praklur tingka. Ya ke secretariat ba directorate campus hakasnong Sunshar New Shillong on shna haki arbenta. Ka kompleks ka don hendri prateli ki office ka jaka syongkai ka ba la ban pediang news pa ngut ki briu ka jaka na ka benta. Syahajar praspa arp kundai ngut ki nong tre ka phase 2 complex ka badon iwei pon arp sanak square meter ka jinghe kandon ki directorate ki badan san pendutuli ki office ka jaka na kamta sauhajan news pa sau pendungut ki nong tre bat arteli ki jaka petkai ki bala ban priang ars pa angut kawai. Ha gani ka sngi umentri rangba ula pelat ya ka skim social sector ka bakot syakan ripulai kror tingka na ka benta ki hendri hajar ngut ki nong yo jingmentoi Hapoh ka CM Elevate Focus Green Meghalaya plus bat ki project penroi ki kam jengok kai perthai. Ka jingsengi ka secretariat Thymmai ha ka sngi rakhi ka jela ka basan pulai. Ka peni ya ka jing angnut jong ka sarkar ban pinstet bat penki ya ka jing penroi ya ka jing tei ha ka jela. Hababu ya ka nongrim jong ka yung secretariat Thymmai umentri rangba ka jela ukonrat sang maulaong kamdei tang ka jingtei bat ka jingshna ka ban sajya. Kadai ka jing penhe ka sor Shillong da ka bakhot ba ka nong ba Sunshar bat jingtip ka barang wan haniu Shillong kum ka jaka penroi ulaong. Kat bangi baiting ka ha kani ka secretariat kat bangi dang baiting ka ha ki surok ki babunjan ki ba penyaso ya ka nong ba ka baladan lupa sya kani ka nong ba Sunshar Thymmai. Umentri rangba uyathu na gabenta ki paidbah bat ki try jaka ha kumba Hapoh square kilometers ban penroi ya kani ka nong ba Shillong ka ba Thymmai baro ka wei. Kum ka jaka roi ka ba kongsan na gabenta ka jela jangi. Ula pentip syuk baladep ban temu ban baiting ka san hajar san spa kror ha ka than Shillong ka ba Thymmai da ka sarkar kentup ya ka jing baiting ka ba jan Hapoh hajar klur tingka.
Kapan siya kumi ang mga kundi ka state Broadway. Hindi dahil ang news ka tinuhi yung po foundation ng tama ni. Kayo hindi mo
Kiprolog pa kanire ka klipmat kabangide ban kemen only right from 2003 till today. I thought the secretariat cannot be shifted or cannot happen again, or I don't think we'll be able to afford to have a new secretariat in the new Shillong Township. But today, our dream is translated to reality. And you need to understand one thing, why this has happened. It's because under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Konrad Sangha, I remember we have vision document. Not only vision, I should say we have vision and also a mission document where we would like to carry out.
To be invested in this zone to completely transform Shillong city as we know. And that is the larger vision and the larger goal. And for that, the government must play an active and a important role. It has to act as a catalyst to ensure that we are able to take this dream of ours forward. Crores of investments, 5,000 crores from the government itself, and another 10,000 crores from private to be invested in this zone to completely transform Shillong city as we know. And that is the larger vision and the larger goal. And for that, the government must play an active and an important role. It has to act as a catalyst to ensure that we are able to take this dream of ours forward.
All your dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. This is a quote by Walt Disney, something that inspires me and something that I thought would be apt for an occasion and a day like this. We need to dream big. Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Preston Tinsong, in his speech had mentioned that he never thought that we would be standing here today, laying the foundation stone for this new secretariat building, and seeing that video which showed the actual design. This is not a video that's been made out of AI. This is an actual design of the real building that is going to come up out here, which has taken us more than a year to actually finalize. So friends, it is an honor to be here today, to be part of this celebration of Meghalaya Day, and more importantly, setting the foundation for the future generations to come. A lot of people who always have a lot of things to say about the government, criticize sometimes, may question this new secretariat, while so many other areas need a lot of investments to be made. But as you can see from today's program, the different flagship schemes that we have shown and we have sanctioned money for, transferred money. This government is working towards overall development of our state. The secretariat coming here, it's not about just a building and a construction that's going to happen. It's the expansion of the city of Shillong, which I feel should have been worked and planned out a long time back. Many individuals in the past have started the process, but I strongly feel that we are now taking a major step towards actually seeing it happen.